In the previous video, we made a mistake, so we're gonna fix it really quick. And the mistake is kind of like right here and right here. We mislabeled these sections, and now we have relabeled them. Here's where we're calculating the memory cell or hotel cell. Here's where we're calculating the level cell or room cell. Then that was it. And then we just kind of changed this comment that goes above the code, kind of describing the transformation going on to get the data pixel X and Y. What we did previously, and we also annotated what those different sections mean. So all those different section dividers that are all uppercase, we have further explanation as to what those section dividers mean. Here's what we did. We fixed the bug in the comments and added annotations for those comments. You have been on this playlist. If you want more detail, you can go to this playlist. Source code is here. Email me here. This has been video 167. Like and subscribe.